everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngeSkim Sam guys. Skim Sam is taking us back, and nizokhumbula guys ukuthi sidala sishana ngamakhanda sibuzana hore kimang okidnappile mapitsi baba ngoba they were just saying kithi bosi, but guys yo na uthi bosi lo amata wakhe wona wavela siconfuse kakhulu esegoqa ngathi ugoqa umuntu phakathi kanti ugoqa iglass, you know. But hey guys, izolo finally bazivezele ukuthi kahle kahle ubani okidnappeke umapitsi. Umuntu okidnap umapitsi ke uMr Legodi. Nizokhumbula guys ukuthi uMr Legodi last time simbona it was maybe 12 years back ngesikhathi ke right hand man ka Kwaito noma kalelo mthiyane ngesikhathi bekidnapha ke uKwaito ukuthi ke akabhale ke incwadi long time ago. So he is back now. The question is uzonzani manje and uthunywe ubani? Abantu ke bacabanga ke la inkundla zokuxhumana abanye bathi ever since uMr Legodi resurface they've been trying to figure out ukuthi who could have sent him after Mapitsi. But after Legodi mentioning a child being thrown inside a dam, I believe Ukgopane could be the one behind it all. Mapitsi wanted to approach Ukgopane for an interview, which I think guys yona mistake yakhe yokuqala noma mistake yakhe enkulu ukuthi ke afune approach ke Ukgopane ukuthi ke I'm interviewing udaba lukaSmaki and everything that happened leading to his death. Ukgopane guys has been searching for answers and justice for years, but at the same time guys Ukgopane wayithathela ke umthetho ngesandla because abafana laba wagcina ingane lezi ezinye zesibhedlela iphukile ihamba ama wheelchair, uIvy naye wamkidnapper neingane kaCharles Kunutu wayikidnapper leziyana wagcina ngaboshwanga umuntu ke. But kahle guys umuntu ngempela wakufanele aboshwe lapha yana it was uCharles Kunutu kanye ke no Ivy, because ingane as much as there was an accident eyenzeka edamini but ke guys ingane zazama ukuthi zimkhiphe edamini umfana zimbeke ngaphandle noma ingazange zimsize, but wengafile wafika ke uCharles Kunutu kanye ke no Ivy bamthatha bambuyisela edamini ke. So yo kusazoba nzima guys, kusazoba nzima ngempela because le story lesi futhi silinka otipos kanye ke noKwaito, because the dam site kwakuyi site ekade ingaphansi kweconstruction yabo ngalesa sikhathi. So kusazoba rough, but ke into engcono ukuthi ke they are not trying to maybe ukuthi bamlimaze or benzeni, bafuna ukuthi abhale story or investigate, as they have said ukuthi ke she is an investigating journalist. So we are just hoping ukuthi the storyline guys it will be put to rest, because wow, it's been long. They just need ukuthi basifinalize basiqede baqale ngezinye storyline, because kunini guys, kunini leyangane yasho washona noSmaki and ngempela zange kuboshwe umuntu. Ngiyakhumbula nje ukuthi i-security lalikade ligadile lagcina lishawa nalo, but nje azange zeboshwe umuntu, kodwa nje umuntu kahle onecala uyena ngempela uCharles Kunutu, because wazathatha nesithuthuthu noma nesikepe sengane yakhe okuyisona leso uSmaki ashona driver wasithatha wahamba destroyer. Asazi bakithi ukuthi le storyline sizo i-outcome yaso kuzoba yini, unless guys kukhona omunye umuntu naye wathola idanyeni ekufanele ukuthi wenze investigation ngaye. But yesimaziyo thina uSmaki and esaziyo ukuthi uKgopane has been trying ukuthi ke athole ke ama answers. But anyway guys, ibona ke umbono enginawo lo, but do leave your comment below and share ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi wena uLegodi uthunywe ubani, usebenzela bani uLegodi, and yini labafuna ukuthi ke ayenze ke uMapitsi. Bye.